Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day in this rainy day in Joburg. We are seeing Umnini. He is growing like wildfire right in front of our eyes, so which means by the time season 9 comes, you'll be a whole young man that will be watching. We can see now he looks so tall. I wonder how old is he actually. We're seeing also things that he's saying, things that he wants with his life. He says that he wants his own car. First of all, he's looking for a job at a car dealership. Ah, such a wise move there. You want a car? Go and look for a job where they sell cars. They might find a paying plan for you, even if it takes you 10 years. So that what has Umnini been up to. He's growing so big. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.